Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the best in beauty and give you the honest breakdowns you need. If you're someone who loves the look of long, defined lashes but struggles with messy clumps, then this review might be just what you're looking for. I'm diving into the Rimmel Wonder'Extension Mascara in brown black, a product that promises to give you a lash extension effect without the fuss. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review like this one. The Rimmel Wonder'Extension Mascara comes with a lot of promises: full, long, and defined lashes. This mascara boasts a new formula with a stretchy texture that supposedly extends beyond the tips of your lashes. You also get clump-free application, along with smudge-proof and flake-proof wear. Plus, it's dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested, which is always a good sign when it comes to eye products. Let's talk about the key features. The stretchy formula is designed to coat each lash evenly, creating that desired extension effect. And while it's buildable, it's supposed to give you a smooth, no-clump finish. I was excited to test this out, as I've had some not-so-fun experiences with mascaras that make my lashes look like spider legs rather than long and luscious. In terms of how this mascara feels on your lashes, I was actually surprised by how lightweight it is. The texture is smooth but not overly wet, which I appreciated. It didn't leave behind any clumps as I applied it. As for the brown-black shade, it's a rich, deep color that adds depth without being too harsh, making it perfect for everyday wear, especially if you don't want the stark contrast of black mascara. I wore it for a full day to see how it held up, and let me tell you, this mascara really delivers on its promise of being smudge-proof and flake-proof. No raccoon eyes here. It held up well through a normal workday and even some humidity, which is a huge plus. Removal was easy too. No tugging or excessive scrubbing needed, which is always a good sign when it comes to eye makeup. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Rimmel Wonder'Extension Mascara definitely delivers on its clump-free, long-lasting wear. I love that it doesn't leave my lashes feeling heavy or sticky, and the fact that it's easy to remove is a game changer. But there's always a catch. While it gives a nice lift and defines lashes well, I didn't get as much volume as I was hoping for, especially on my lower lashes. So if you're someone who loves a dramatic, voluminous look, this may not be your holy grail mascara. It's more of a natural lash extender. As for the value, I'd say it's pretty reasonable for the price. You're getting a well-tested product with good wearability, but if you're after something with more volume or that dramatic false lash effect, you might want to try a different option. I did take a look at a couple of alternatives, and while they may cost a bit more, mascaras like L'Oreal Lash Paradise or Maybelline Lash Sensational offer that extra oomph in volume. If you're happy with a more natural extension look though, the Rimmel Wonder'Extension Mascara does the job without breaking the bank. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and simple. It's easy to hold and apply, and the wand is well designed to coat every lash. I think the product could be a bit more durable in terms of the packaging material, but that's a minor detail. So, does it live up to its claims? For the most part, yes. If you're looking for something that will define your lashes with a natural, lengthened effect, this mascara is a solid option. It's perfect for those who want to enhance their lashes without going for that dramatic false lash look. I would recommend it to anyone looking for an everyday mascara that's easy to use and lasts all day without the hassle. Before I wrap up, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this mascara, the link is in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment and let us know what you think. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.